Leaves are on the ground, fall has come, blue skies turning gray, like my love. I try to carry you, make you whole, but it was never enough. I must go, and who is gonna save you when I'm gone? And who'll watch over you when I'm gone? Oh, you say you care for me, hide it well. How can you love someone, not yourself? And who is gonna save you when I'm gone? And who'll watch over you when I'm gone? And when I'm gone, who'll break your fall? Who will you blame? I can't go on, let you lose it all. It's more than I can take. Who'll ease your pain, ease your pain? Oh, and who is gonna save you when I'm gone? And who'll watch over you? And who will give you strength when you're not strong? Who'll watch over you when I'm gone away? Snow is on the ground, winter's come. You long to hear my voice,